pressure control mode ventilation. What is the plateau pressure? Option A, it cannot be determined from this graph. Option B, 30 centimeters of water. Option C, 30 centimeters of water minus this set P. Option D, 25 centimeters of water. You can click option A, B, C or D. Okay, the question is, what is the plateau pressure? Choice is A, it cannot be determined from this graph. Choice B, 30 centimeters of water. Option C, 30 minus this set PEEP. Option D, 25 centimeters of water. Okay, let's proceed to the next question. Question 2. Refer to the scalars for pressure flow volume in pressure support ventilation in the figure. What ventilator parameter might be adjusted to eliminate the problem as indicated with letter B? Okay, you can see here there is an issue pointed by the marker B. Option A, decrease PEEP. Option B, the flow cycle criterion might be increased to a higher percentage so that TI is shorter. Option C, decrease flow rate. Option D, extubate. The question is, how do you solve this problem indicated by the marker B? Decrease PEEP. Option B, flow cycle criterion must be increased to a higher percentage so that inspiratory time is shorter. Option C, decrease flow rate. Option D, extubate.
Painful procedure and all. Then in that case, you can reattempt SBT later on the same day itself. Otherwise, you attempt on the next day. So you down titrate the sedation as much as possible. Okay, so this is the practice. Do not over sedate just because SBT is failed. Okay. Second question, pick out the wrong statement regarding COPD ventilation management. The disease may not have a reversible component. Yes. Quantifying dynamic hyperinflation at bedside is very difficult. True. COPD patients may be difficult to wean. True. The outcome is same as for acute asthma exacerbation patient. That is the wrong statement because the background pathophysiology is different. Asthma, it's acute onset and it's almost fully reversible and it comes on and off. But COPD is a progressive, persistent deterioration and you will not come back or the starting point after each exacerbation. So with time, you're going to get worse only. So that's why the outcome cannot be the same. How was the response from our audience?
Almost 60% of the participants have voted for choice D. Sir.
Yeah, okay.
They have selected the right choice.
Yeah, basically everybody agrees that asthma and COPD, there are some common things, but outcome may not be the same. Third question, which of the following statement or statements are true regarding auto-PEEP? Low tidal volume, decreased respiratory rate. Yes, I have explained with the rationale behind those. Increased expiratory time because we have to give more time because of the inadequate emptying of the alveoli. Addition of extrinsic PEEP to an extent always helps in the inspiratory effort. So to avoid the missed breaths and increased work of breathing, you always add around 50 to 80% of the measured intrinsic PEEP as extrinsic PEEP. So I think option D, all of the above, should be the best statement among these. How was the response, Dr. Prabhu?
Yeah, more than 75% of our participants have opted for choice D. Sir. All of the above is what they had selected.
So the single best response, you need to get the best response. Option A is also correct, B is also correct, C is also correct. So all of the above should be the best option.